Today is a special episode because I want to talk to you about a book that changed my life. The name of the book is The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Now, let me first of all say I had never heard of the book. I'm always searching on YouTube, trying to learn something new about trading, day trading, swing trading, long term trading. I'm about making money. And so a few YouTube shows I watched that I really enjoyed, the host always talks about different people that really inspired them. And the same name kept coming up, Mark Douglas, the disciplined trader. And I'm thinking about it and I'm like, okay, maybe he has some different strategies or different techniques about trading. Maybe he's talking about another way to read candles and to get in front of a drop or a dip or something, or how to get out of a trade faster and all these different things. So I didn't buy the book, but I did find the book on YouTube, or at least some information about Mark Douglas. So I watched a couple of videos and then I found this one video. The video is 7 hours and it's bits and pieces and all these different things. And I watched it and I watched it. I watched it. Oh my goodness. But let me tell you what happened when I came out of watching it. It changed my whole understanding about trading. My biggest problem has been being too emotionally involved in the trade. You get into a trade, almost instantly, the trade starts to dip. You've always been told to jump out of it, have a good, strong stop loss in place. So at least if it goes too far down, you can jump out of it with a minimum loss. But sometimes we're so emotionally connected to a trade, we'll let it drop and we get into our feelings. We get into hope mode and we're hoping it'll come back. No, it'll come back. It'll come back. Please come back. Please come back. And it doesn't. It continues to fall. And then finally, you lose all your investment. If it's an options trading, you're past zero. If you had margin on it, oh my goodness, I feel sorry for you. But the book, The Disciplined Trader, talks about how to get out of your emotions, how to look at the trades and understanding what the trade is. All the trade is first of all, it's gambling. But it has to be on your mindset a way to look at it and separate your emotions from the trade. Let me give you an example. You find a trade, you've already researched it, you looked at the company, you think this is the one for you. If you're like me, it's in the process of going down, it's in a dip, and you're waiting for an opportunity for, in your mind, for it to hit that level of support, come on up, uh, uh, come on up, hit that level of resistance, and then break through. That's what you're looking for. Hit the level of resistance, then break through. Well, you have to look at it, you have to go into it with not thinking about, are you going to win or lose? You're going to go into it thinking about, I've done my due diligence. I've researched this company, and now I'm going to invest in this stock. If the stock goes up, that means everything paid off, your timing was perfect. You go in thinking 20%, 30%, or whatever your number is on how much profit you want to make from this stock realistically. And then once it reached that number, then you get out, regardless if it's still going up or whatever is going on, right? But you also have to separate your feelings about the stock, even if you get into it and then it goes down. It goes down, goes down. If you have a stop loss in place, you're automatically taken out of the stock. If it continues to go past that, you don't have a stop loss, but you have an idea how much you want to lose, and then you get out. But you can't dwell on the stock. A lot of times when we get out of a stock, what happens? A little while later, it turns around, and it may be the biggest winners you've ever seen. It could be. I know it's happened to me. But here's the thing, you have to find a way to separate your emotions from trading stock. It's a gamble. True gamblers are cold as ice, at least on the outside. We have to be cold as ice, strategic about what we're doing. And then we go in and we make it happen. Read that book, The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Check it out. It's on YouTube. Check it out and use some of those techniques, and it changed me. Maybe it'll have the same effect on you. Until next time, be blessed, my friends. Be blessed.